Okay, so now let's make this section. So for making this section, what we're gonna do, we can just add a new container like this, and here we can say food menu. So let's write here food menu, and here we can write 1300. Okay, and here we can add a T to the top and to the bottom, because here we're gonna use the theme PG color like this. Now we have to just search for this, and we can paste it here. We can search it also, and we can paste it here. And here we can just copy this food menu. Okay, and here also we have this heading, so our special menu. Okay, now let's publish. Okay, now we can just go here. We can go for the grid. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Here we can have this 4 by 1. And now we can do, just go here and we can add a new container, make this white. Okay, and here we can make this 3. The border radius, make this to 20. Okay, now we can add the image here. Okay, and here we can just go here, and here we can make everything in the center, and here we can just copy this. Okay, and here we can just have this. Okay, now let's publish this one, and after that you can see that we have this type of layout. So what we have to do, we have to just add a simple layout for this. Okay, inside this we have the 2 more container. Okay, so in this way what we can do is to just add the 2 containers here, and inside this we can add a new container. Now let's duplicate this, and we can also make this. Okay, and here we can make this 10. Okay, and here you can see we have this 2. We have to make this right bottom. Okay, and here you can see we have $81,000. So we can just copy this, paste this here, and here we can write $81.00. Okay, and here we can make this to white. Okay, and here you can see we have these stars. Okay, now you can see we have to give this a border. Let's give this border. Okay, so here we can make this like this. Here we have the border radius of 10. Okay, here also we can make everything in the center. And here also we can make this sitting, and here we can give the spacing of this like this. Okay, this is done. Now we have to add this para below. So for the para we can just copy from this to this. Okay, and we can make everything in the center, and here you can see we can copy this and we can make this in the center. Okay, this is done. Now let's me go here, and here we can name this menu. Okay, now what we can do, we can just check all of these things are working. Now let's me go to the menu. Okay, so this is done. Now let's me copy this. So for that we can just go here. Okay, now you can see here in this color I'm gonna use the same color and like this. Okay, and here you can do this normal. So in the normal we have this simple color. Okay, and here we have this menu, here we have this menu for the hover. Okay, and here you can see here this so this color would be this theme BG. Okay, let me publish this, and you can also make this transparent. Let's make this transparent. Okay, and here also we can make everything in the white. Okay, then we can just duplicate this, and you have to just copy these things there. Okay, let's publish. Now after refreshing, if I go below and if I refresh, so you can see that we have this menu fully working. Also these whites are working. Also only have to change the content.